Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a default browser that comes with Windows when you first install it or buy a new PC. Step 2. Download Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Google Chrome and press enter. Click on the official Google Chrome download page. It should be from google.com. Once the page opens, click on the Download Chrome button. Step 3. Installation. After clicking Download Chrome, a pop-up may appear. Click Save. After downloading installation application, double-click on it. Click Yes if asked. The installation will start automatically, and it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Open Google Chrome. Once installed, Google Chrome will appear automatically. You will also see a Google Chrome icon on your desktop. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Google Chrome on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.